Hello guys, today I'll be telling you how to make typewriting GUI. So first you have to actually go to Starter GUI. You click on Starter GUI, click on plus, then go to Screen GUI. Go to Screen GUI, you name it to it doesn't really matter if you rename it. I'm just going to rename it to Animation GUI. Then once you do that, add this, search up local script, rename that script. It doesn't really matter if you rename it, because you're not going to use find first child and use the actual name. We're going to new script.parent. So rename it to animation script. Then delete the line in here. Then go back to your actual game. Then click on plus on animation GUI again. This time search up the text label. Then you can either do now drag it wherever you want the typewriting to be. I'm gonna make mine here. And if you want the actual box stay there, you can, but I want the transparent. I want to let me delete script recovery. Now drag that, click on it. Good. I think I actually closed down. I want to go to Explorer. But also open up properties. Think something wrong with my. Okay. Then you go to just click on the GUI. The label. Now you can extend it. So I'm gonna make mine text label pretty big. Stretches out all the way from there to all the way over there on the other side. Okay, I'm gonna make mine transparent, but you can keep the box if you want. So you want, then rename it to animation label. Animation label. Then go to background transparency. Want it to be my and be transparent and just text, then do it. And go back. It doesn't matter if it says label because we'll change it in our script. Then scroll down where it goes to text. Click on text scale. Choose what color you want. For me, it's going to be white for my color. And choose your font. Then go to source, then click on this, and then you can see all the fonts and what they look like. So I'm going to choose for the one. And then go to the animation script. Then when you're on the animation script, you first you do local function animate text, and then put the brackets, and then put text. Then here you write for for I equal to 1, comma, space, hashtag texts, comma, 1, do, enter in, and then you write script, which is actual script, dot parent. This is where the writing matters. Write whatever you wrote for the animation label. Then write dot animation, or whatever you named your text label, or text button. Dot text is equal to, no, not select, string dot sub. Then in here you're gonna write text, comma, 1, comma, I, which is the number. Then you write weight, and you write 0.03. But if you run this code, it won't work because you haven't joined it to anything you're gonna run. So then write while. If you want it to only happen once, then just write this. Then write what you want the text to be. So then, for example, oh yeah, when you're writing your text, if you're just going to do it now and you don't want it to run forever, make sure to put the speech marks. Otherwise, it won't work. So then, in between here, I'm gonna make a comment. Write your text. Now I'm gonna make that comment as well. But if you're following me, then if you're actually writing it, don't do these comment lines. It won't work. It will not work. Just write animate text, parentheses, quotation marks, and write whatever you're gonna want. If you're doing it my way, write while true, because when you write while true do, it means that this will be an infinite loop. Then true will always be true, but if you want to like change it for sometimes, then you would for example make a variable called playing, I forgot to write local. Guys, remember local is when it's only for the client, the person who's playing. But if you don't write it with local, that means it's global, so the script will happen for everyone in the server. So then you can write local playing is equal to true, which will make this a boolean. Then you'll write while, instead of true, you can write while playing do. Then you can differ from all of this. Then in the while playing or while true, if you don't want to change it, you're going to go to animate text. Oh, also if you just want to do it by yourself, like it only happen one time and do like multiple, make sure to add a wait for, because that's how long it'll take to write the text. Then you write animate text, then put the quotation marks. Then for example you say like the video, which you guys should all do, and sub as well. You can do multiple. I'll tell you how to do that in just a moment. and do wait parentheses for, then write your text again and wait for. Remember to always end it, make sure to always end it with wait your while true. Like the video. See, look, if you write sub to me, then you're going to get an error because sub to me, sub, you don't know what sub is because it isn't a variable, it isn't anything. But if you write it in with the quotation marks, then it will. And make sure, no matter how much you do, always end that text you do with a for. Wait for. This will wait 4 seconds and it gives time. For example, when you like the video, wait for to complete this, then it will do that. So let's test it out in the game. And here is your your thing, and it will happen forever. So that's it for today's guys, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.